Did you know that Bitcoin, the pioneer of cryptocurrencies, has created more millionaires than any other asset class in history? It's true. And hey, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe, because there's more. The world of crypto is brimming with stories of ordinary people achieving extraordinary financial success. While I haven't reached millionaire status yet, my journey into the crypto world has been nothing short of transformative. I was initially drawn to crypto by the same allure that attracts many, the potential for life-changing profits. Like many, I started small, cautiously dipping my toes into the volatile waters of Bitcoin. As I delved deeper, I realized that crypto was more than just a get-rich-quick scheme. It represented a fundamental shift in how we think about and interact with money. This realization fueled my desire to learn more, to understand the intricacies of this revolutionary technology. The path to crypto success is rarely linear. It's a journey fraught with challenges, especially for newcomers. One of the biggest hurdles is market volatility. Crypto prices can swing wildly, often testing the nerves of even the most seasoned investors. Another common pitfall is the lack of a clear strategy. Many individuals jump into crypto without a well-defined plan, driven solely by hype and speculation. This often leads to impulsive decisions and ultimately, financial losses. Then there's the overwhelming amount of information and misinformation surrounding crypto. Separating fact from fiction can feel like an impossible task, leaving many feeling lost and confused. My initial forays into crypto were not without their share of missteps. I too fell victim to the allure of quick profits, making impulsive trades based on rumors and market sentiment. This approach, as you might imagine, led to more losses than gains. The turning point in my crypto journey came when I shifted my focus from speculation to education. I realized that to succeed in this volatile market, I needed a deep understanding of the underlying technology, market dynamics, and sound investment strategies. I immersed myself in books, articles, and online courses, absorbing knowledge from experts in the field. I learned about different investment strategies, such as dollar-cost averaging and portfolio diversification. I discovered the power of fundamental analysis, evaluating crypto projects based on their technology, team, and market potential. One pivotal moment that transformed my crypto approach was attending a blockchain conference. Surrounded by brilliant minds and industry pioneers, I gained invaluable insights into the transformative potential of this technology. It was during a panel discussion on decentralized finance, or DeFi, that a light bulb went off in my head. I realized that crypto was not just about trading, it was about creating a more equitable and accessible financial system. Inspired by this realization, I shifted my focus from short-term gains to long-term value investing. I began seeking out projects that were building real-world solutions, leveraging blockchain technology to address pressing global challenges. Risk and reward, that's what this is all about. Are you willing to step up to gain the life you want to live? Follow me for more insight. Thanks for watching.